In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Grok AI high demand error. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and wait and then try again later. So high demand is usually temporary, so you want to wait 15 to 30 minutes and then try again. Keep in mind that peak times also do play into a factor. So the peak times are between 6 p.m. and 11 p.m., weekends, and right after major news events. And off-peak times like early mornings, which include 6 a.m. to 9 a.m., and weekday afternoons like 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. So those are really the sweet spots that you want to go ahead and try to use Grok AI. So if you're using the free plan like I am, then unfortunately Grok AI is not going to put you in the priority queue. So in that instance, you really need to try to use Grok AI during the off-peak times, which once again, it's 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. and weekday afternoons at 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Now, what you can always do is you can go ahead and upgrade to X Premium. So that is something that you're able to do. That is 100% up to you. But yeah, if you do get X Premium, you're going to get higher priority in the queue. You're going to get faster responses, and you're basically not going to encounter this issue as much. What you could also try to do is to use the mobile app instead, because the mobile app sometimes has less congestion than the web version. So if you haven't already, go ahead and try using Grok AI on the app and see if that fixes the issue. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.